In this video, we're going over how you can get a purple name here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. But if you want your name to pop here in Clash Royale with a bold purple color, here's exactly how you can do it. Begin by opening up Clash Royale and clicking on these three lines in the top right corner. Select settings here and then select change name. Now if it's your first name change, it is completely free. But if you've changed it before, it's going to cost you 500 gems. In my case, I'm going to hit this 500 gem thing. And don't worry, it doesn't charge you immediately. But what you're going to want to do is actually type in your name in a specific format. That format is this little bracket here, and then you type in C6 for the color purple, and then another bracket just like so. And here you type in your name. So in my case, I'm going to do just pause, and then open up that bracket again, type in this little dash, put C, and then close out that bracket. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the code C6 gives your name a purple color. So in my case, my name would be a purple version of just pause. But once you're ready to make your name purple, simply go ahead and hit continue, and your new name is going to show up in a vibrant purple color. I'm not going to do it just because I don't want a purple name, but it's completely up to y'all what you do. And if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more awesome Clash Royale tips and tricks. Have a great day. Peace.